Hello everyone, thank you for attending this presentation. They told me that a touch of French accent would be very nice to conclude this first day. So I hope you will understand this French accent, it won't be too foreign. I'm going to talk today about social TV. I would show you a quick snapshot about social TVs evolving in France. Maybe we have some specificities that you would like to discover. And I would develop on the way that Orange has tackled this topic, building on a collaborative innovation approach corresponding to the design and development of a specific API for social TV. And then I will conclude with a few perspectives regarding the next challenges we have regarding multi-screen experience and the role of the mobile in the use of media. So, social TV market, how we did move on this market, and next wave, mobile and multi-screen. So regarding the social TV in 2013, it was really, in 2012, it was really an explosion of the usage in social TV. And the figures that we have from the US are especially compelling. We can say that the hashtag is the new fire camp where people can meet and talk about a TV show. Two TV shows were particularly tremendous. Super Bowl collected 23 million of tweets, and the awards of the Oscars, the ceremony of the Oscar, 13 million. It was definitely a very high increase compared to the year before in 2011. What about France? So the most commented show did not reach 23 million. We are a smaller population than the US, actually. But we did actually reach a good level, quite a record of 145 million tweets. How did the different players develop? Now we have best TV show over 100,000 tweets on the days the show is aired. We have all the major channels which have launched companion application. My TF1 Connect is a companion application very much connected or linked to The Voice, the talent show, musical talent show. M6 has launched another application which is called Devant ma télé, in front of the TV. And Canal Plus has launched a football application which enables you to interact with the game in the sense that you can, for example, select the angles of the camera to watch the football game. Another sign of social TV development is the use of official hashtag by the different TV shows. It's become more and more common to have an official hashtag linked to a TV show. Presenters are live tweeting during the show. And we've got also a tweet curation team. That is to say, for example, during a political show, a team of journalists selects the best tweet that will be displayed on screen, and in some cases, that will be raised as a question to the participant of the political show. We've got transmedia experience, extra content on the companion app linked to the TV show or to the TV series. The more involved channels in that field are Arte, France Télévisions, Canal+. We've got also pure player like Zbox in the UK, but at a smaller scale. They are called Devant la télé and TV Tweet. And we've got Orange as an operator. We are not, compared to broadcaster channels, content producer, we are not focused on a specific channel or on a specific program. We are focused on helping our viewers to browse our catalog and to select very rapidly the programs that they want to watch. So that's the purpose of Programme TV d'Orange, the companion app, which helps the viewer in content discovery, mainly based on the social recommendations, social buzz, what the programs are, which one are the programs which are trending now. Let's take a moment to analyze maybe why the success of social TV usage has been so strong. And my view, based on a very interesting video completed by Robert Tersecht, is that social TV really lays in our deep imaginaries. What do I mean by that? It crosses 4 elements which are very strong, very meaningful. The first one is creativity. Social TV, it's about conversation, but more than conversation, when you look in depth at the tweet, it's about small pieces, not more than 140 characters, small pieces of storytelling. You try to tell a story with these short tweets. Then you get immediate approval. You get immediate reward about the stories that you have tweeted. Instantaneous validation, and that's very rewarding. The third element is that not everybody participates in tweeting or in commenting. A lot of people are listening to the social conversation, which is also quite interesting. And the fourth element is that, of course, that's the essence of interaction. The purpose of interaction is not feeling isolated anymore, not feeling alone anymore. And in front of the TV, when you see the buzz about the show that you are currently watching, instantly you are in the middle of a crowd which you can interact with. Creativity, approval, listen, interaction, that's deeply in our imaginaries that social TV has its foundation. A few months ago, I thought I would be very wise in developing a few predictions for the future of social TV. And so I made 4 predictions. That was, what if social buzz were part of renewed TV ratings? Integrate social buzz into the TV ratings. What if marketing included social viewer as key influencer, targeting a very active social viewer to kind of recruit them? What if producers were creating contextual and interactive storytelling, leveraging social TV interaction? And what if brands were connecting their TV spot on the main screen with second screen? And in a few months, those predictions appear to be true, appear to be actual. Twitter is now to collaborate with Bluefin, Nielsen, and Social Guide to define new kind of TV ratings, including social buzz. Marketing campaigns now have the opportunity to run promoted tweets against a TV show with the use of the Twitter advertising API. You can select a show, formulate your tweet, and push it as a promoted tweet. That is to say, it will be seen more than the other tweets by the different people who are following the show on Twitter. Extra content and buzz are utterly powerful to link the TV show with the second screen. So producers and TV shows are making use of it. And at last, we've seen the brand using the social buzz. For example, during the Super Bowl, most of the ads aired on TV had a counterpart on Twitter. And so they got talked about on Twitter. We saw also the ITV second screen experience, where you can have additional or post-advertising information and action on the second screen related to an advertising that you just saw on the main screen. So my advice is do not make prediction anymore about social TV because they occur too fast to be considered in the future as a future prediction. On the social TV market evolving so fast, what was our positioning? Well, first we started to consider what were our weaknesses and strengths, and the threats that we could face on this market. So weaknesses, we are not so fast, we are not broadcasters, so directly linked to content, and sometimes we are more business-oriented than user-oriented. Threats, we hate being disintermediated and be considered as dumb pipes. And there are many social TV initiatives. I think that there are more in the world, more than 100 social TV companion applications that have been developed. Our strengths are we have a large customer footprint. We talk to a lot of customers. And we are good at spurring ecosystem, providing infrastructure and services. And opportunities, there are many opportunities in the social TV. We've seen the prediction before. But one of them is that many viewers don't know what to watch when they switch on TV. So there is strong opportunity in helping them to complete their content discovery. Another opportunity is more a problem or a difficulty is that social networks can be noisy, difficult to understand the message. So we decided to have a single focus, filtering. This is the noise of the social networks. This is the filter, and this is what we try to provide. And we'll see a short story about what we have developed. So you've understood we focused on making comprehensible social buzz, and you've understood watching the different rollout of our module that social buzz can be used over different thematics. So our social TV module, Orange Blended TV, that's the name of it, extract meaning from the social fire hose, and it provides 3 types of indication: the buzz level, the detailed conversation, and a sentiment analysis qualification of the conversation. And this can be used over multiple entertainment entities that you've seen: TV, cinema, VOD, sports. And so the secret for moving fast was to design a collaborative platform, to have one focus and to make it available to other application developers within Orange. This was managed through the development of an API focused on social buzz, and it enabled multiple and parallel rollout of the Orange application that you've seen in the short video. We managed to connect 10 Orange services in less than a year to this API. Now, let's take one step back regarding the social TV and see where we come from since the year 2004-2005. 2004-2005, in France, it was the start of IPTV deployment at Orange with the dedicated set-top box, providing on-demand TV, so a large amount of TV channel, video on demand, and then a few months later, catch-up TV. Then in around 2009 in France, it was the rollout of smart TV, mainly materialized by a TV application on the TV screen. 1 year later, the beginning of social TV and second screen application. And now we think that these different worlds of interaction, connection between TV and the internet, use of second screen are moving to a new step, a new stage that we call nomadic multiscreen. Nomadic, that is to say, I can watch my content on the go, wherever I want. And multiscreen, that is to say, at home, I have multiple screens that I can watch my content on. So this is a crossing between these two worlds, the world of mobility and the world of multiple screen, that correspond to a new stage for us. On this evolving world, what is the role of the mobile handset? Mobile is already at the center of media use for consumers because it's a very personal and engaging screen. It provides intimacy for the viewer, immediacy, and contextual information. It is used everywhere. It is not just used to watch content. It is used also while watching content, while consuming media. This is the idea of the second screen. It can activate other media. When you get on your second screen information about the content, sometimes you can go to Wikipedia or another website to have additional content. It can drive tuning. Social buzz corresponds to bringing new viewers to the program. You can look for a product related to a TV ad, or you can immediately purchase it. eBay had just launched in the US an application which is called Watch with eBay, which enables that kind of immediate purchase. You can use it also as a personal media scheduler or as a remote control, and this way phone act as media consumption funnel. To say it short, smartphones are already the backbone of our daily media interaction. But today, there is one universe, which is the in-home universe, the big screen. Now, new screen have entered this new universe, the mobile, the tablet. It is interesting to note that in France, no household select a tablet instead of buying a third or fourth TV set. So there are this multiple screen environment in home. And out of home, there is this capacity to watch TV everywhere. And it's going to be better and better with the deployment of our new mobile networks, LTE, which provide higher bandwidth, but also higher quality of service, especially in the fast train that we have in France, TGV. These two universes are separate, but we are one human being, so we need consistency, we need to connect the experiences. We need to shift to experience roaming. And this is the magic wand that we expect for our mobile handset, to make the connection between the in-home and the out-of-home experience. How can we achieve this? The mobile handset is not only a technology, it's a user interface. So the key or the cornerstone is to make the second screen experience relevant into the use of the mobile as this pivotal device. We need simple device, simple design, no technologism for the viewer to erase all difficulty in the experience of using the application. We need to reward every micro moments of the viewer journey. And when I mean journey, it's not only navigating through the application, it's navigating through the day on the application, because this application, it has to be useful outside when you're not in front of the TV. And at last, it's one single application where you can find everything. You can discover, you can watch, you can control, and you can be aware of the social buzz and interact with other people about the TV shows. If we manage to do this, this is our next innovation challenge. If we manage to do this, we can say that we will not talk about second screen anymore. We can talk about first screen.